Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Flutter project and jumping straight into the Android folder. Once there, open Android/app/src/main/Android manifest. XML and read the package attribute, that is the compile time package. Then make sure to open Android/app/build. Gradle and locate default config. Application ID because Flutter uses that at runtime and for Play Store uploads. You do this now to avoid later confusion between manifest and Gradle identifiers. Make a quick note of both values for verification steps that follow. Next, confirm the package name from the built artifact and a running device. Build an APK or AAB with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build App Bundle so you have an artifact to inspect. Once built, run op dump badging app/build/output/app/release/app-release. App and read the package name line to verify. Alternatively, install the app and run a db shell pm list packages grep package name to see the installed package. This double check ensures Gradle and runtime identifiers match before publishing. Finally, reconcile any differences and verify on device. If the application ID and manifest package differ, change the application ID in Android/app/build. Gradle and refactor package folders in Android/src if you need source-level changes, then run Flutter clean and rebuild. Once rebuilt, install and check with a db shell pm list packages. If things still go wrong, uninstall the old app first or clear caches in Android Studio. This prevents stale builds from masking your fixes and ensures the package you see is the one you actually deployed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.